Hello there. Today, June 9, 2021. Our title is Toys. Yes, we are going to learn some words about toys. As look here in this picture, there are two kids who are playing with three cards. One, two, three, three cards. So we are going to know and learn some words related to toys, and we are going to answer a question, how many? Using numbers too. Let's see. First, we are going to see the new vocabulary. As you can see here in this picture, there is, this is a doll. This is a doll. On the other side, there are many dolls. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dolls. This is singular. And on the other side here we have plural. Doll, dolls. Doll, dolls. What other toys do we have? Look here. A ball. A ball. On the other side, one more time here, we have many balls. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls. So one more time, listen. Ball, one ball, balls, 6 balls. What else? What other toys? Here we have, this is a kite. Kite. This is a kite. Now here we have, there are 3 kites here. Kites. Look here, the S, it's plural. So let's see. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 kites. Kite. Kites. Kite. Kites. What else? Oh, that is a car. 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 And here, cards. Cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cards? 5 cards. One more time. Singular. 1 card. Plural. 5 cards. Now it's time to ask and answer questions. Remember that I told you that we are going to answer the question, how many? In this case, pay attention to this, to the teacher. The teacher asked, how many kites? How many kites? How many kites? What is the answer? Look here, in this picture, there are many kites. In order to know the answer, we should count. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. Oh, but I forgot. 7 what? 7 kites. Remember to give a complete answer. 7 kites. How many kites? How many kites? 7 kites. 7 kites. Another example. The teacher asked, how many kites? Oh, I'm sorry. My mistake. In this picture, we can see kites. If you see well, the boy is playing with cards. So the question is, how many? How many cards? How many cards? How many cards? I don't know the answer, but I got this picture. So Here in this picture, we can see the answer. The answer. Let's count together. 1, 2. How many cars? 2 cars. So our friend says 2 cards. Let's see. 2 cards. How many cards? 2 cards. Now in this case, what is the question? How many kites? No. How many cars? No. What is the question? How many dolls? How many dolls? Remember that in the question, we are going to use the plural noun, okay? The plural noun in all the questions. How many cards, how many pencils, how many notebooks, how many chairs, how many yarns, how many, what else? Papers. We are using the plural, dolls. But you can say, Miss, here it's only one. Yes, but this is the question. And in the question, we use the plural. How many dolls? How many dolls? So who is answering that question? It says 1 doll. And you can see here, can you see here in this answer, we are using the singular because we can say 1 dolls. It's incorrect because here we have in this picture that there is only one doll, but in the question we use the plural. Remember that, please. How many dolls? 1 doll. Another. So here there are 2 friends. Now the friends are going to ask and answer the question here. Let's see. The question is, how many balls? How many balls? How many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balls? How many balls? Oh, it's correct. 5 balls. 5 balls. How many balls? 5 balls. How many? How many balls? How many balls? 5 balls. If you are not sure about this, we can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls. That's right. Now what else? Look here, in this case, ask and answer. Now the friend is going to ask, how many, what was that? How many, oh yes, how many yarns? How many yarns? I don't know, how many? How many? We can count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is the answer? The answer is 12 yarns. 12 yarns. Now our friend is saying the answer, 12 yarns. One more time, remember that the question is how many. We start asking using how many. How many yarns, how many cards, how many balls, how many dolls, how many pencil cases, how many erasers. You can ask if you want to know how many supplies someone has. One more time. How many yarns? 12 yarns. Now, remember that there is a question here. Look here. Our friend is asking, how many kites? 3 kites. Look here. As you can see here, there are many, well, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures. And you can ask and answer. You can ask your father, you can ask your mother. This file, you will find it in the platform, okay? In order to practice. Remember that the question is how many? And you will answer according to what you see in each picture. Well, remember that there are homework. Yes or no? You pay attention in the class. That's right. You have some homework to do. You should solve the activity pages from your workbook. What pages? Page 26 and 27. Remember to do that. Well, that's all for today. Thank you so much.